My name is Godofredo Rama with WCI Consulting. I'm a senior business intelligence consultant. Today, I want to bring a short synopsis of data management services using Microsoft Business Intelligence suites. For every time you're going to use a business intelligence software, you're going to have some sort of problem. You're going to go to data selection and what kind of modeling you're going to do. So this is the intent of this presentation. There's plenty of information for you guys out there to research and to review while we're going over. However, in order to get more detail on our technical side while we're building BI solution, I felt that it was necessary to go over these client challenges by company executives. I came up with some 4 examples. There are plenty out there that you can think of. If you're a business owner, if you're a manager, it doesn't matter what industry you are. If you have a business problem, there's probably a technical problem out there that is related. And in here, we just covered 4 of them. And you're going to see the output at the end of our tutorials. Data modeling, you can't build a good solution without modeling the data because it comes from everywhere. It could come up from 2-3 different systems, files, and so forth and so on. So the analyst has to get information and interact with the business users and the technical people. So for that, I wanted to cover 3 steps. Data modeling is the representation of the data structure in a table for an organization database. That's just the basic definition. However, it's a really important subject when we're talking about data warehousing and business intelligence. And so it made sense for us to put a little synopsis on the slide and cover 3 portions of what composes the definition of data modeling. They're broken in 3 parts. The first one is the conceptual, it's a high level. The logical is a business process, the logic that the user needs in order to get the output they want. And the third one is the physical, and that mainly covers the technical side on how we can turn the logical into a database, a cube, a report, and output for the using. So that's what data modeling is. Here we have a solution, and in this case, I chose dimensional modeling as a solution for the 4 scenarios we went over earlier, in why we use dimensional modeling and data warehouse and business intelligence. Well, when it's all said and done, with all the components are put together, it will provide the ability to your company to provide the right data to the right people at the right time. Decision makers don't always have real-time data in order to make decisions that impact their business. In data warehousing, it's a proven solution that is adaptable, whether it's mergers and acquisition, restructures, or any type of business change that happens in the organization. And again, it's flexible and it focuses this is the most important part, it focuses on the business user. That's the part that it sets it apart. It's not about just building a database, a report. It's about putting what is in the user's brain into the system in order to get the output that we want. So it's a service. It's a client-focused solution as well. At the end, there's plenty of technology out there. There's SAP, there's IBM, there's Microsoft, there's a series of vendors out there that you could choose from. However, in my case, I have quite a few years of experience with Microsoft, and it just integrates amazingly. And again, it has a complete operating system. It has a robust data engine, an integrated development environment. It integrates with SharePoint, and they all, because they use the same environment, they work together, and you don't even notice it. At the end of the day, it has a real a low cost in ownership, and this is the reason I chose to demo a Microsoft solution. So in the next tutorial, we're going to start building the database, the schema, and the different dimensions that we're going to use in order to answer those questions that we went over earlier. You have a nice day.